Pullback plates were first introduced by Kraus Moto to fix the compatibility issues of putting performance T-bar setups on bikes with components in the way, batwing fairings, gauge clusters, etc. In a world full of uniformity, make your Harley stand out. Kraus Moto operates uniquely in a modular ecosystem. Each upgrade is completely unmatched in its levels of customization, completely interchangeable. These pullback plate components can be added to provide a closer reach for those vertically challenged. Here's how to break it down. The Raptor pullback plate offers you a base level pullback at 1.5 inches. Originally designed to navigate road glides with existing gauges, but is completely modular to add additional pullback of other models. The T-Rex offers the closest reach at 2.5 inches, mainly for early street glide models, but also popular with Softails. The Veloci is necessary to run risers on 24 and up street glides, offering 2.8 inches of pullback. The Dagger, co-branded with San Diego Customs, offers 2 inches of pullback, great for Dynas, Sportsters, FXRs, and Softails. If you find yourself leaning too far forward, explore the pullback plate options at krausmoto.com. Add to existing setups or look to Kraus Moto for your full performance bar setups. Starting with America-sourced metal, machined in-house in our Southern Utah facility right here in the USA.